So 1 month ago, I built a crypto mining computer, and I'm going to show you in this video how much it made me in the last month, which is March 2021. Hey guys, I am Mr. Maciek. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in making money, anything about real estate investing, and building your net worth, then please go down there and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And let's get into it. I built a computer with a bunch of graphics cards to mine cryptocurrency. So how much did it make me? Let's pop into the computer and I'll show you exactly how much I've made using NiceHash. That is the software I'm using to mine the cryptocurrency. And I basically made it down to 0 at the very beginning of March, on March 1st, and it was actually at the end of day, I think, on March 1st. And then let's see how much it really made me.
All right, well, here we are. This is our March complete update on what the Bitcoin miners, or I should say the cryptocurrency miners, are making. I have one miner plus an additional graphics card on a desktop computer. And here's what we got. Now, obviously, I'm not taking into account any electricity usage, but let's take a look here. So for the month of March, we have 1764.44. I'm going to withdraw this in just a moment so that we can start from scratch. But before I do, let's take a look at our history that we've had. So I just want to show you basically what this is doing. And basically the bottom line is we have 4 3090 cards, 2 3070 cards, and 1 2080 Super. And I did have a couple 1050 Ti's that stopped mining recently. They started giving me problems and crashing, so those have not been mining. But let's take a look here. And also like an i5 processor and a 3950 AMD processor as well, which are basically doing nothing, right? Now let's take a look, going to all activities for, the Bitcoin. I get paid out numerous times a day. $9, $10. My computer crashed and was off for a little while, so I made a little less. And if you just keep going down, here we are. Lots of payouts, lots of payouts, lots of payouts. And what I'm going to do is just kind of go to the very end and show you that what I did is I actually withdrew all the money that was in here, so that I can start fresh, so that it's actually the 1700 and some change is actually what was paid out. Now, mind you, I'm not actually going to be keeping track of how much dollars worth this is, because I'm keeping it in Bitcoin. So that could change, that could go up or down. But just, I'm sure everyone's curious, back at the beginning of March, it was paying out a little bit less, right? And that is because I added a 3070 card like in the middle of March. So I'll get into that in just a second. Here is March 1st. And here we are. As you can see, on March 1st, I withdrew my whole account that I had, all my Bitcoin that I had in this account. And I moved it to a Coinbase account. Let's now take a look at the spreadsheet that keeps track of everything. Okay, here it is. So this is the spreadsheet. You might have seen it on the last one. And since the 1st of March, I have bought 3 additional things, actually 2 things, and I got 1 refund. This 179 was refunded from a motherboard that I bought. Well, I tried to buy, but apparently they couldn't ship it to me from China, of course. So here is what we have. Let me now pop in how much money has been put in for the month of March. So that's what I have so far. Real quick, I just want to transfer my my Bitcoin here. So let's do a withdraw so that I can bring the whole thing max, and we are bringing it over to my Coinbase. And network fee, no network fee, great. Review, withdraw. Alrighty, grand total 1764.44. This is how much Bitcoin. Yeah, if I lose it, I lose it. Great. Let's go back to wallet, make sure it's at 0, and it's at 0. And right now it is April 1st. Can I bring this down? No, I can't. It is April 1st. I can't show you, but here we are. So let me just recap real quick where it's all at. when I add up all the money that I had spent right here, then it adds up to 11,444.53. That's quite a bit. And right now, this is how much has come back to me. Basically, what I'm doing here is trying to see how long will it take to pay this all back. And, assuming certain dollar payout per day, which I seem to be somewhere between $50 and $55 per day. This is how many days it will take to pay it back, this is how many months it will take to pay it back. So I'm really happy with this kind of return because real estate can't earn that much. So not on an instant return. Plus I get to keep all these different cards, all these 3090s and 3070s and all this stuff. So if I get to keep that stuff, I can always sell it later. But that's the update. That's all I got right now. I will do another update on May 1st, showing what April brought. I expect it to be very similar in Bitcoin, but who knows how much it will be in actual USD. I am not cashing this out. I'm just keeping it in my Coinbase account for now. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. Drop a like on the video if you like cryptocurrency mining. I am actually looking at purchasing some ASIC miners, and I'm trying to negotiate getting some of them. Very difficult in this market right now, but hopefully I'll be able to get some of those to have more updates for you on mining cryptocurrency using graphics cards and miners. If you have questions, drop a comment. I will reply to it personally for sure.
So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'm going to be making an update like this once per month, and I'm also considering getting some ASIC miners, and if I get my hands on those, then I'm probably going to make more videos about mining cryptocurrency because it seems to be like a worthwhile investment. So thanks so much for watching. Please smash that like button if you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time.